If you want to turn off dark mode on your iPhone, whether it's specific apps or across your entire iPhone, I'll show you exactly how to do that. The first thing we're going to do is make sure that dark mode is disabled in the settings of your iPhone. So open up the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. And there you can see at the top is dark mode. I can switch it from dark mode if I wanted to turn it off to light mode. I can also disable automatic here, which would automatically enable dark mode when I go to sleep or at sunset. However, keep in mind, this doesn't necessarily change it in certain apps. So if I switch this to light mode and hop out of here to YouTube, you can see YouTube is still in dark mode. So let's disable this in the settings of YouTube. Tap on the U button at the bottom right, and then the gear icon at the top right. From here, choose General at the top, and then Appearance at the top. You can see I can choose to manually override this to dark theme or light theme, or I can just choose Use Device Theme, and then this will just mimic whatever is in the Settings app of my iPhone. Keep in mind, multiple different apps, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, a lot of those apps have a manual override that you might need to change in the settings itself. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.